Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Porsche 911 930 Turbo Cabriolet from Norev. So let's take the car out of its box now. There's also a display base and a frame along with the car. So here's the car out of its base. The headlights, indicators and the fog lamps look nice, and you can see the bulbs inside them. There's also the headlight washer above the indicator. The Porsche logo is a decal and it looks nice. Now moving on to the front trunk, it's empty and there's nothing much to see here. The floor is also not flocked. The trunk latch is detailed and the insulation pad is painted. The wheels look nice and the Porsche logo in the center is a decal. You can also see the brake disc and caliper behind the wheel. It can roll freely, has working suspension and is also steerable. The indicator on the front fender and the door handle look nice. The rear wheel also can roll freely and has working suspension. The taillight bar is well detailed and looks nice, and you can see the Porsche script in the center. The turbo logo on the engine cover is a decal. The whale tail spoiler looks nice and you can see the vent on top of it, but you can't see the engine through it. The engine bay is really well detailed and you can see all the parts in it. The air filter box, the fan and the belts look nice. And this is how it looks like under the engine cover. This is the right side of the car and there is a small retracted antenna on the front fender. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster and they are very clear. The steering looks nice and the Porsche script in the center is very clear and it can be steered along with the front wheels. The other dashboard parts and the center console are also really well detailed. The door card looks nice and you can see the handle, speaker and the different buttons on it. There's the flocked carpet and a mat is also included and you can see the pedals from here. There's the buttons for the electrically adjustable seat on the side of it. The gear lever and the handbrake look nice. And those are the seats. The rear seats also look nice and there's flocking between them. You can also see the seat belts for the rear passengers. The cover for the soft top is made out of a rubbery material and it looks nice and the stitching on it is very clear. So here's the passenger side of the car and the mat on the driver's side is not present here. The buttons for the electrically adjustable seat are there on the side. All the mirrors, including the IRVM, have chrome inserts in them which can reflect really well. The sun visors also look nice. The undercarriage has enough detailing on it and looks good. The different parts of the engine and the exhaust system are painted in silver. The side exit exhausts look really nice. The wipers and the windshield washer jets are really well detailed. Both the mirrors are on different positions on the right and the left, just like on the real car. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.